Here's some rubs and offcuts of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The material's been wetted, rules in millimetres. I'll just zoom in a bit to show you a bit closer. Okay, I've zoomed in. This piece I just cut so you got the colours, opal bars in the stone. This piece, bit of matrix, Koroite material, bit of colour through here. This piece has been dremeled to go down on the colour bar. Bluey greens. Just needs to be cut the way it is. Bit of colour through that piece. Another one that's been semi-rubbed. Make a nice little stone, I think. Another piece of matrix Koroite material. Bar of lights through the middle there. Nothing on that side. Purpley blue. Lucky last. Just a bit of blue flash there. There you go. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.